Stitch number 24 and 25 on the Bernina 560 is a bar tack program. So let me show you each of these. Actually, all you need to do is put it where you want to start. You can see where the little dot is on the screen, so it's kind of the top of the bar tack. What it does is kind of sews 2 rows of stitches, kind of a little railroad, and then zigzags over them. Stops with a couple locking stitches, and that is all she wrote. So super easy but very secure. You would reinforce like belt loops or places that might have a little extra wear on them. And stitch number 25, this is going to be more the back and forth version. So all it's going to do is a zigzag back and forth multiple times. Couple extra locking stitches once again at the end, and you're going to see that this has a very sturdy finish to the stitch. So it's kind of like a one and done. So whether you want your bar tack going north and south with a little bit of extra zigzag over it, or more of a tack that goes back and forth. Now you could even use this for tying quilts. Of course, decorative stitches are fun for tying quilts too, but why do all the handwork and the yarns and tying and your fingers hurting? Why not let your sewing machine do it? And that was stitch number 25 on the machine.